In this video, I'll show you how to install Supercar Pack in GTA San Andreas. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the required files and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. No stuff here. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Before doing this mod, backup your San Andreas folder. Copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder. Open the required files. Drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder. Replace file in the destination and then go back, open the car pack, drag and drop these cars inside the mod loader. Go back and open the .exe, drag and drop this exe file inside of a game folder. Right click on this 14,000 KB and select show more, send it to desktop create shortcut. Launch the game through the newly created shortcut. Once you are in game, you can able to see all supercars. You can able to drive the cars with high speed, as you can see over here. Speed of the car is increased because it's supercar. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.